All right, so yan, thank you guys. Okay, so welcome to another topic of the Amazon PPC. So we already know the introduction and the common terms pagdating sa PPC, and then what we're going to discuss for now is the type of PPC campaigns. Okay, so meron tayong iba't ibang klase ng PPC. Okay, so let's go. All right, so first of all is we do have the sponsored display ads or sponsored display. So these ads appear both on and off Amazon. So they can target specific products, audiences, or interests. Okay? So most likely guys, ito yung mga makukulit na ads. Okay, so medyo kakaiba siya. Okay? Medyo kakaiba siya kasi once na maklik mo yan, okay, is kukulitin ka talaga niya on and off Amazon. Okay? Yan. Right? So, let's go to sample. Yan. So as you can see, ito yung sample ng sponsored display ads. So, andun siya sa product detail page. Okay? And then, dun siya sa pinakababa ng buy box. Okay? So, that's the sample of your sponsored display ads. Okay? Then, the next ads that we have is we do have the sponsored brand ads. Okay? Sponsored brand ads, formerly known as the headline search ads. So, these are the type of ad that appears on the top. Okay? Top of the page. Minsan, nasa gitna siya. Yan, kasi we have different types ng sponsored brand ads. We have the like the video ads, okay, storefront, highlight, and product spotlight. Okay? Yan. So yan yung ating 3 types ng sponsored brand ads. Okay? Perfect example niyan. So pag nag-type kayo ng product specifically, yan, makikita nyo siya sa taas mismo. Okay, ng product search page. Okay, and then say what an example. Okay, punta tayo kay Amazon.com. Then punta tayo sa kitchen knife para makita tayo ng sample. Okay, so this is the perfect example ng ating sponsored brand ads. Okay, yan. So as you can see, ito yung kanyang brand, Hexclad. Okay, and then yan. So, dito is product spotlight. Okay? Nag-spotlight siya ng 2 product. Yan yung kanyang pinaka-main. Siguro pinaka-main na product niya or bestseller na product. Okay? But sometimes, you can also see it here na yung brand storefront. So, might as well, ito yung makikita nyo sa taas ng search page. Yan. Ito. Itong part na to. Pag yan yung nakita nyo dito, it means na brand storefront ang hina-highlight. Okay? And then, punta tayo dito sa medyo gitna. There should be, hindi natin kung meron video ads. This is the sample of video ads. Okay? Yan. Video ads. Sponsored brand ads, video ads. Okay? Yan. Alright. So, there you go. Okay? And then, we do have the sponsored product ads. Okay, so this is typically consists of an image of the product title, and short description. So para lang siyang organic listing but meron lang siyang nakalagay na sponsored. Okay, yan yung ating sponsored product ads, which is, sample is something like this. Yan. Okay. Makita natin dito na meron siyang nakalagay na sponsored. Yan. Listing lang na normal pero meron lang siyang sponsored. This is the cheapest one. Okay? Yung cheapest na sponsored ads dito sa Amazon. Okay? Yan. Alright. And for your sponsored brand ads and sponsored display ads, okay? Yan is it is special access dun sa mga brand registered. Okay? So yung mga branded, okay? Yan yung pwede nila ma-access or additional na ma-access nila sa sponsored brand and sponsored display. Okay? Yan. Alright. Then, okay, so yan yung sample as you can see. Meron siyang sponsored dito. Sponsored. There you go. Alright. Okay. Now, okay. So, this topic, okay, and also, alam na natin yung types ng PPC campaign, but we also need to know how much do we pay or how much do you pay in Amazon PPC bidding. Okay, so magkano ba yung binabayaran? Okay, so let's check, and that's gonna be okay. So the Amazon PPC works as second price auction. So that means you'll never pay over 0.01 more than the next highest bidder. So, yan. The perfect example dito is, let's say for example, mayroong pinakamataas na bid na $5, and then the next highest bid was, o yung next na bid is $2. Let's say 1, whatever. Okay, basta. Okay, it means your PPC would be just 2.01, not $5. So, kumbaga, yung second highest, second highest na bid, yun lang yung babayaran. Hindi tayo magbabayad ng eksaktong $5. Let's say, for example, ang bid natin is $10. Ang bid nung kasunod is $3 lang. So, ang babayaran lang natin kay Amazon, once na maklik yung ads natin is, again, 3.01. Okay, so it's higher. Mag-add lang siya ng 0.01 cents. So, that's how you do the Amazon PPC. Okay? Alright. Amazon PPC bid. Okay. So, if you do have any question, clarification regarding on this topic, please feel free to ask me during the live checkpoint session. Okay? So, thank you, and have a great day, guys. Alright. Bye-bye.